roasted 2-pepper soup with corn and mezcal. This recipe is a mashup of 2 of my favorite red pepper soups. The first step is to prep your peppers. Cut each pepper in half and remove the core, seeds, and membranes. Next, arrange the peppers skin side up on a foil-lined baking sheet and broil until the skins are uniformly blackened and charred. Meanwhile, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a soup pot over medium heat. Add fresh or frozen corn kernels and the garlic. You can use as little as a teaspoon of garlic or as much as a tablespoon. Cook the garlic and the corn until the corn is light golden brown, and then transfer the corn to a plate and melt the remaining tablespoon of butter in the pot. Add a diced onion and saute until the onion is tender and translucent. When your peppers are uniformly blackened, draw up the corners of the aluminum foil you used to line the pan and gather it together and let the peppers steam for a few minutes. This will help loosen the skins. Stir in about 1.5 tablespoons of tomato paste. Peel and chop the peppers and add them to the pot along with about 4 cups of broth. You can use vegetable broth or chicken broth. Here I use chicken broth, but this is quite good with vegetable broth if you want to make a vegetarian version. Bring everything to a boil and then reduce the heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Using an immersion blender or a traditional blender, puree the soup until smooth. If the mixture seems quite thin, you might want to add a little cornstarch dissolved in cold water, and then continue cooking just until the soup thickens. Next, stir in the half and half and heavy cream. I used half a cup of each. And the 2 tablespoons of mezcal. You could also use tequila. I like the mezcal because it adds a nice smoky sweetness that really accentuates the smokiness and the sweetness of the peppers. Continue cooking the mixture just until it's heated through. Don't let it boil. And then serve. Opt with the reserved corn and a dollop of cilantro-lime sour cream. To make the cilantro-lime sour cream, stir together half a cup of sour cream, the juice of half a lime, and 3 to 4 sprigs of minced cilantro. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos and recipes, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.